Rebound number 0. Easy, relax back down. 10 seconds back down. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. Oh, nice move. Rebound number 15. Number 3. Balaksak. Umasa. 20. Bilis naman number 9 minutes. Field by number 4, pass to number 20, pass to number 15. Oh. 3 by 3. 3 seconds. Oh, pass number 32. No foul. Number 15. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 minutes. 10 seconds to shoot. Tumira ng best. Best score natin. Number 15, gusto bumangin. Oh! 3 points! Number 20. 3 points counted. Yeah. Learn. Time out. Time out. Come on, now you turn to one. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Nice pick. Malaksak. Oh, oh, nice shot. Gandang serve na natin, sir. 10 seconds shot clock. 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shot clock violation. Oh, fast break. Walang nakatingin. Okay, number 20. Emma Sutsura. Back to the ball game. Team second touchdown. Really nice champion goal. Last 6 minutes. Nice pass. Oh.
Hey.
Number 26. Technical for Southie. Number 6.
Sumigaw ka nung magle-react. Wow. Hindi kasi clear na. Tama.
5 minutes, 58 seconds. Off. Number 24, pushing foul. Team second Chaka. Humila ng press. Okay. Number 12. 35. Number 3, humila ng press. Oh! Swak na natin balik. Team second Chaka. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5. Samsung para tayo, sir. Sablay. Sablay. Time remaining 4 minutes 34 seconds. 34-46. Lamang pa rin ang itsura. Number 32. Julie Stato. Paso number 20. Number 6. Julie Stato. Sunod-sunod na ang pilay sa ating Number 24 is Tumbawen. Number 15 for 3. Oh. Back to number 10 seconds to shoot. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Oh, wait lang. Injury time out, injury time out. Stop. Stop. Remaining 18 seconds. 19 seconds shot clock. Number 4, losing the ball. Remaining 10 seconds. Oh, nice pass to number 5. Easy basket. 3 minutes. 15 seconds shot clock. Tumira ng press. Apply. Lima tayo ng press. Team by number 5. Papas by number 1. Time out. Coaching. 2 minutes 40 seconds. Naman tayo ng suksura ng 30. Coaching, wala ng time. Suksura. Sa parang time out ng suksura.
Wala na po kami.
Third quarter, wala. Nasa na. Last 2 minutes 40 seconds.
Pagod ko. Para ako nilalagay.
Back to the ball game. Number 20. 10 seconds to shoot. Grabe, step back naman si Sir. Who's caller? Number 0. Number 9, tumira ng tres, Sablay. Iwan number 0. Number 9, number 0. Pass to number 4. Number 4, breaking. Oh, basket foul. 19. Number 19. Running for penalty, Joshua. Number 5, Minutes Shot, pass to number 1. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9, Sumakasa. Oh! Number 6, Sumakasa. Pass to number 3. Sablay. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 4. Rebound number 1. 1 minute, 10 seconds. Oh, foul, countdown. Number 32. First personal foul, 30 foul. Bonus shot, number 19. Last 1 minute. 15 seconds to shoot. Tito out. Tito out. Number 32. Number 32 out. Number 32. 45 seconds. That's 45 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Up. Penalty foul number 19. Third personal foul kay number 19. 25 seconds. Pass to number 6. Ooh, rebound number 5. Pass break. 20 seconds. Sumalaksak. Score. 15 seconds. 12. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.